Welcome everyone! In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to set up Paytaca's point-of-sale system. Let's get started! How to set up the Paytaca POS admin in your wallet. Link your wallet to the Paytaca POS. Ready to get started? First things first, make sure to open the Paytaca mobile app on your device. Within the app, tap on the app icon located at the bottom of the home page. Next, on the application page, select POS Admin. Once inside the POS Admin app, you'll find the Merchant Details section. Click on the edit icon to start filling in your shop's information. Now, it's time to provide the necessary details about your shop. To ensure everything is just right, let's accurately set the coordinates of your shop's location. Fantastic job filling in those merchant details. Now, let's move forward. Click on the plus icon in the Devices section to set up branches for your shop. Now, let's fill in the name for your device. Now, to keep the process smooth, click on the three dots next to the device you've set up and then select Link. When you choose a link, it will either generate a QR code or a link code to connect the Paytaca admin and the Paytaca POS. Just a quick heads up, the link has a 300-second duration before it expires. Now, let's download Paytaca POS, the point of sale. To begin, open Google Play and search for Paytaca POS. Please note that the POS app is currently available for Android devices. An iOS version is on its way, so stay tuned. When you find it, simply tap on Download or Install. Now, it's time to link the Paytaca POS admin to Paytaca POS. Let's get started! Open the Paytaca POS mobile app on your device. Here, you can choose your preferred input method in Paytaca POS. To connect your POS admin to the POS, paste the copied link code. Alternatively, you can also connect your POS by simply scanning the link code. Now please be patient and wait for the link to establish a connection in the Paytaca POS. Congratulations! The POS device has been successfully linked. The POS operates in a receive-only mode, smoothly channeling all received BCH transactions directly to the POS admin.